Hi, Shimmy Shaker. Welcome to day 17 of our 30-day dance challenge. I teach you a new belly dancing combination every single day leading up to the end of the year and a beautiful choreography as well. So if you haven't seen combinations 1 to 16 and you want to learn the full choreography, please check them out. I also have the full choreography up on my Patreon page where you can learn it a little bit faster if you're really eager to see what comes next and you can't wait until the end of the year. So today we are coming into a really beautiful, juicy hip circle, which is great because it always kind of releases through the lower back, but it is also a little bit sexy too. So starting off, coming into a nice big hip circle. So if you haven't done these hip circles before, one problem I see is people lean side to side when they do them. You don't want to do that. You want to keep your torso in the same plane this way, so it's not moving side to side, but does move forward and back a little bit just to balance you with your hips. So watch from the side. As I bring my hips forward, I lean back only slightly, and as I bring my hips back, I lean forward. So just practice this move. And other way. Nice. And today we're getting even lower in this hip circle. So we're starting to go this way first. We bring that foot out, come into our hip circle, lean all the way forward, and then we just bring this hip all the way to this side, bring the hip to the other side, and then we push off to get like an upward figure 8. So from here, bring that hip in, want to get those nice rolls through the stomach like a upward 8, and then coming back in. Let's just try it again. So coming around this way for the circle, around, coming down with the body, hip forward, hip other side, and push off that foot to get in. I'll show you from the side. Stepping out, around, hip over, hip other side, and then pushing, look at my heel, pushing up to get in. Let's just try it to the other side. So hips go around this way next, around and over, and pushing off that hip to come back in. So it's just a nice little transition rather than from here just coming straight up. You're coming from here, keeping the emphasis on that hip to get like a little figure 8. From here, the next part in the combination is a upward 8. So with the upward 8, it's coming out to the side, up, in and down, out, up, in and down, out, up, in and down. And then just smooth them out. These ones are quite slow in our choreography, but depending on what music you're doing this combination to, you can do them as slow or as fast as you like. From here, we're coming into 2 undulations. So chest forward, stomach forward, hips forward, and release. Make it nice and juicy. Good. Okay, let's bring that combination all together. Firstly, doing the circle this way. 5, 6, 7, 8. Around and over, hit and up. 8, 8, 8, 8. Undulate and undulate. Good. So it's 1 hip circle up to come up from the big circle, or sorry, 1 half figure 8 to come up from the big hip circle. Then it's 4, 3, 2, 1, then 2 undulations to finish the combination. Okay, let's try it again to that same side, coming around this way. 5, 6, 7, 8. Around and hit and up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Undulate, undulate. Yeah, good work. So that's the way it's going to be in the choreography, but let's practice the other side as well, just so we get this combination to our head. So this time, circle comes around this way. 5, 6, 7, 8. Around, hit, and up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Undulate, undulate. Beautiful work. I hope you really like this combination. It's such a nice one to do with those hips, especially if you're like in quite an intimate space. It's a big move, but you can really like engage with your audience as you're coming over. One thing I will say, when you're doing the leaning forward, try and keep your posture nice and strong. If you're like this, it just doesn't look as elegant as if you're here. So really hold through your core, keep your spine nice and long to keep that elegance. So watch out for tomorrow because we are going to be bringing these combinations together with music into our choreography, and it's a really fun section. It's really nice and relaxed as well, and you're going to love it. So tomorrow, day 18, we will learn one new combination, but also bring all these combinations for the past few days in together with music. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.